is today is the 29th October 2010. Let's take a look what I have got today from สนามหลวง2. Today we went back from Bangkok, so we just started by and to buy the seafish. This is my love. She just got me this is what they call like กุ้งนักเลง Yeah, this is กุ้งนักเลง actually.
Bad boy shrimp.
She said bad boy shrimp. And this one is the pacadilla right here. And you pull right here. I used to have this fish, like 2 or 3 fish before, a long time ago. And I love it because the color is pink. And this is my love. And which,กุ้งอะไรนะ
Bad boy shrimp.
Bad boy shrimp. She said bad boy shrimp. So let's take a look at bad boy shrimp right here. And you can see this is the female kind. It's got what they call eggs at her, at the bottom of her stomach right here. It's a little hard to see, but as you can see, it's green right there. And this is a bad boy shrimp. Actually, it's called khop shrimp. And this is pacadilla right here. See it? Okay, can you put right there? Yeah, when you lay it down right here, so you can take a look on the top right here. As you can see, the color is so fresh, between pink and yellow. Alright, this is the bad boy shrimp. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is like 8 inches, big, 8 inches long. This is Sohao tank. It's a seafish I have. It's about, if you buy it, it's cost about maybe $400 for this fish. It's big. And that's mushroom, sea mushroom, different color. Here, those are the different colors. I got a purple right there too. And I have this one. When I turn the blue light, it looks like that. Come on. This is my seafish. It's big, like 8 inches. It costs about maybe $400. It's somehow tank from different countries. They're big, about 8 inches long. This is my sea corals. I used to have more fish, but they die. Kind of hard to take care of it, so yeah, it's pretty much. Now, when I turn the blue light, you can see my soft sea corals. This is mushroom, and they have different colors, very bright colors. They're